G'day, it's Jake and Emmy here from What the Thock. Today we're going to be discussing what's the difference between mechanical and standard keyboards, also known as membrane keyboards.
Generally, all keyboards operate similarly. When the key is pressed, it sends a signal to your computer. Your computer then decodes the signal and translates it into a letter or command. So what is all the hype around mechanical keyboards? What are they? And why should you upgrade from your standard keyboard? Let's dive into the differences between mechanical keyboards versus standard keyboards.
So, you might be wondering, we're talking about standard membrane keyboards, but what is it, and have you ever actually owned one and used one yourself? Chances are yes. A standard keyboard normally comes with whatever computer you buy, and many laptops also have that standard membrane style keyboard. But how do they actually work? The standard keyboard uses a rubber dome and membrane to detect key presses. Pressing a key causes that rubber dome to push into the membrane and generate a signal to send to the computer. This type of keyboard is usually budget friendly as it's inexpensive due to the ease of manufacturing. This one that we've got here only cost us $7 Australian, so they are super cheap and affordable. Membrane keyboards tend to provide a less tactile and less satisfying typing experience when compared to their mechanical counterparts. They also often don't allow for customization. If they do, maybe keycaps at most.
While they may not offer the same level of tactile feedback and durability as mechanical keyboards, membrane keyboards are still a good option for those looking for affordable and easy to use keyboards. The old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it holds true here. However, if you are looking to upgrade your typing experience, not just in feel but in sounds and looks as well, then it is very hard to not consider a good mechanical keyboard.
So what is a mechanical keyboard then? Well, a mechanical keyboard uses individual mechanical switches to send signals to your computer. This means that each key has its own switch underneath, and these switches are designed to register each key press with a distinct tactile bump and audible feedback. These tactile responses can help you type faster and more accurately, as you know once you've pressed the key. Many mechanical keyboards are also customizable in that you can swap the switches and keycaps to your liking. The design of a mechanical keyboard also often raises the keycaps and can place them on different angles, which can lead to a more comfortable typing experience. Many mechanical keyboards are also customizable, with hot swap PCBs and other things allowing you to swap the switches and keycaps to your liking. This customization is what has led so many down the rabbit hole of chasing the perfect Thock. The reason why mechanical keyboards are significantly more expensive than membrane keyboards is because they're a lot more difficult to manufacture, with assembly being more complex, with every key needing its own switch placed, and the materials involved are generally more premium and more expensive. But in my opinion, and in the opinion of thousands of others, it's definitely worth it, with some willing to spend thousands on keyboards just to get a specific typing experience or sound. However, these days the hobbies have become more affordable with excellent keyboards like the Bubbly 75 I'm using in this video, costing a fraction of what they used to. Alright, well, we hope you've learnt the difference between mechanical and standard or membrane keyboards today. But if this video has made you want to check out mechanical keyboards or even purchase your own, please check out our store at whatthethock.shop. And if you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe, as we often post more keyboard helpful hints, tips, and information. But for now, from Emmy and I, can't wait to see you in the next one.